हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू राज का गराज। एज यू कैन सी, मैंने अपने होंडा हाइनेस का हेडलाइट असेंबली डिसमेंटल किया है। When I've just removed the seal beam because I was curious about the headlight setting as well as how much watts the headlight, the LED headlamp carries, and also wanted to check other stuff inside the dome. What all wiring we have, what all sockets we have. So first things first, about the setting. लास्ट टाइम मैंने वीडियो बनाया था जिसमें मैंने बताया था कि देर इज़ अ क्राउन इनसाइड एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली एक्सेस इट दिस with this hole. There is this access hole over here. These two, this one is for the removing the seal beam. मैंने ये number plate इसलिए निकाला because it was the seal beam actually comes in the way, or the number plate comes in the way of the seal beam. तो वो मैंने निकाला. And there are two 5 mm Allen bolts on each side, Allen screws rather. And this is the actual seal beam. This is how it looks from the front, from the back. And surprisingly, this is a Lumax assembly, very unlike Honda, because Honda used to generally have a Stanley association. So even in their cars and old Honda bikes, they used to have Stanley headlight assemblies. And this was this is a Lumax one. And here are the details. So there is no high beam as such, high beam or low beam. There are two beams. One is a driving beam, which is 13.2 volts, 17.3 watt, and there is a passing beam. There's a pass light, 13.2 volts again, and 11.8 watt. So 17.3 watt generally translates into somewhere around 1000 lumens. Even if I take a conservative number of 60 lumens per watt, it will be somewhere around 1040. So that is your driving beam, which if compared to a tungsten filament bulb, a halogen bulb would normally have 15 lumens per watt. I may not be accurate with the numbers, but so technically the lumens, the light this headlight can produce is higher than a tungsten filament bulb. But practically, because it's LED, it is it gets actually, the white light gets absorbed on the road surface, unlike a tungsten filament bulb. And this is a socket. This is the only socket it has. And this is the crown I was talking about. ये जो यहाँ से you use this access hole to you actually access this particular setting bolt. So this is much like any car headlamp setting. यहाँ पे you have to when you actually put the screwdriver through this is where so this is the crown I was talking about last time. So if you move it upwards, which is clockwise position, the headlight will the beam will go up. If you move it anti-clockwise, the beam will go down. And I'm going to try it in the night time because that's the best time to do headlight settings. There's one more way of the entire dome actually can be moved up and down. You have to loosen these two bolts like I've done this, and you can move the headlight. See, you can actually see यहाँ पे gap में आपको पता चल जाता है. So if I push it backwards, see, the gap gets filled. This is how the setting will happen. So the entire dome can go up and down and up down, up down. So that's the there are two ways rather to adjust the headlamp. I'm going to do it, try it on real time on the road. And one more thing I noticed was so Honda has given a auxiliary socket as well, which is an extra additional socket. It's a female socket which you can use to have any auxiliary accessory. It can be your lights, could be anything else as well. And I've just tried this. I'll just show you. So okay, I've just kept the keys somewhere else. There are the keys. Okay, if you can see, just watch this continuity tester. It will glow up. There it is. So this is an extra auxiliary power you can use. If I switch off the main switch, there is no power. So this I'm going to use to install my auxiliary lamps. Unfortunately, I haven't yet got the accessories. There are no accessories yet in the Mumbai showrooms, both Thane and Andheri. I just inquired, and I'm just living without the crash guard, without the engine guard. Once I receive it, I will install the auxiliary lamps. Another thing I'm going to put is a mobile holder. I'll just pull a connection from this auxiliary socket itself. So that's about it. And the next video you can expect is about the actual headlight setting. I'll show you the reference point, how much it is going up and down. So thank you for watching and happy riding.